Hi, I'm Laura Marie with your home sold team at Realty One Group Advantage, and I'm so excited to introduce to you 3863 13th Avenue North today. This move-in ready home is bright, fresh, modern, retro, and you are gonna love it. All new everything. You have stainless steel appliances, unique detailing throughout this entire home. I mean, check out this beautiful subway tile in the kitchen. Then you're gonna see that you have this amazing room that's isolated. You can use it as a home office, as a bedroom, an amazing workspace because it has its own entrance as well as bathroom. Then you head to the other side of the home, you're gonna see beautifully updated bathroom, and then another bedroom that's very large that has its own separate exercise room or another office space, depending on how you want to use it. Lots of opportunities. You have a corner lot that gives you lots of parking space. You're gonna see there's easy parking for your RVs or your boats. So make sure that you schedule either a virtual tour or an in-person 6 feet apart showing today. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you, and you are going to love this home.